The Lion and the Mouse. A lion was once sleeping in his den when a mouse started running up and down his body just for fun. This woke up the lion and he was quite angry. He was about to eat the mouse when the mouse pleaded with the lion to set him free. I promise you, I will be of great help to you someday if you spare me. The lion laughed at the mouse's confidence and let him go. One day, a few hunters came into the forest and trapped the lion in a net. They tied him up against a tree. The lion started to roar and struggle to free himself. Soon the mouse walked past and noticed the lion in trouble. He ran and called his friend for help. Together they gnawed on the rope to set the lion free. They ran off into the jungle and remained friends thereafter. Moral: a small act of kindness can go a long way.